Hello everyone and welcome back to The Luxury. Las Vegas is home to one of the best hotels in the world, and the best of them is the Venetian and Palazzo Luxury Hotel, and we're going to show you why it's the best hotel. So make sure you stick around till the end so you don't miss any details of this best luxury hotel. Before we head in, make sure you smash that subscribe button as well to stay updated always. This 5-star eco-friendly The Palazzo at the Venetian is on the Vegas Strip, where world-old splendor meets new world creativity and innovation. The Venetian and the Palazzo are where the newest restaurants and most exciting nightlife meets the most relaxing pools and spas in Vegas. When you step into this hotel, it feels like real luxury. This is one of the world's largest hotels, with 7,111 rooms. The building is indeed as impressive as the interior. It's also the tallest building in Nevada. While the Venetian and the Palazzo are separate buildings, they are side by side and they operate as a single hotel. This is not only the largest hotel, but each of the buildings has its own casino with 22,500 square feet of gaming space. What's really impressive about this hotel is that it doesn't offer 7,000 rooms, but it offers 7,000 suites. All the rooms in the Venetian and the Palazzo are suites. And they're not just ordinary suites. The standard rooms here are 650 square feet luxury suites. And the Palazzo suites are 4,720 square foot. You might be thinking, how much does it cost to stay here? Rates start at a pretty fair $169 up to $10,000 for a night stay at suites. They're all very luxurious with the finest interior. The decor here is everything. It has an old world feel, but it is luxurious. This is a very high-end quality hotel. When you step into the Bella Suite, it feels like nothing but luxury. It's furnished with 2 plush queen beds. It has an open bedroom and an open living room. The bathrooms are also a luxury. They have marble baths with oversized tubs. The Palazzo at the Venetian offers spacious suites with a separate living area and a dining table. In-room media includes 2 LCD HD TVs, a DVD player, and high-speed internet access. The extra-large bathrooms feature a 19-inch flat-screen TV and deluxe amenities. A daily newspaper is also available. Stepping in Venetian and the Palazzo feels like you've entered another world. Every little detail in this hotel is done with perfection. That's not it. The hotel has world-class shopping with its own mall. Isn't that crazy? Shopping and taking a rest at the same time. There are so many things in this hotel that you will not be able to do in one day. They have everything for all ages to stay entertained. Speaking of the food here, it's also the best. Those who love food would find a massive food supply here with 38 different restaurants. This hotel has no shortage of some of the best food on the Strip. It's home to one of the world's best restaurants. There are 14 celebrity chef restaurants here. They have something for everyone when it comes to food. They have their own food court. They also have a coffee shop inside the hotel. Their food is very high quality as well. Guests are able to unwind at the Dorsey and enjoy a true cocktail culture in a fun, upbeat atmosphere. There are numerous events in the hotel. The hotel's casino has everything you could imagine. It gives everything from table games to slots to poker. There's always something for everyone in this hotel. That's not only if they win in the entertainment. They also have 2 built-in theatres in the resort. There's a 100,000 square feet area for gaming in the casino. They have 139 tables. You can play whatever you want. The Venetian Poker Room is the largest poker room in Las Vegas. It features 59 tables in a luxurious setting. The race and sports area here is really luxurious as well. It has the very latest technology to have better sports with a good experience. The Venetian and the Palazzo have everything to offer, and it's there with the best to offer in the world. This hotel has been winning Best Hotel Awards for many years, and we can't doubt that. The nightlife scenes here are very vibrant and everything you would want. They have 10 different bars, lounges and nightclubs to choose from. There are many shops inside that you can check. The Venetian and the Palazzo will never let you get bored. They have all sorts of entertainment for all kinds of tastes. There's so much to see, and it's all in walking distance from your suite. From hand-painted frescoes to award-winning restaurants and lounges, there's a little bit of everything for everyone to enjoy. The luxury hotel features a full-service spa and health club, pool deck overlooking the strip, and state-of-the-art casino. The Palazzo features 10 outdoor pools, including the aquatic club, a stylish nod to the intimate yet energetic environment of social and racket clubs of decades past. And at the Grand Canal shops, guests will find more than 150 international boutique shops. A grab-and-go continental breakfast with pastries, fruit, coffee, tea, and juice is provided. It offers fitness classes, massage services, facial and skin treatments, water therapy circuit, acupuncture, and a full menu of salon services. Guests can meet with a nutritionist or personal trainer. Isn't it a wonderful hotel which has it all? Well, do let us know your opinions in the comments down below. That brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. We will catch you in our next one.